So, Kritika, is it possible that I would not like to be speak to an invisible person? Can you just put on a video for maybe 20 seconds or so? Then we could, at least in case we have to build up your personality or make profile building, mechanism for you. At least I know whom I spoke to, and I've not spoken to some good person.
Yes,
Please.
sir. Hello, sir.
Hey, Kritika, thank you very much for putting on your video. So my first impression about you is very good, and I think you speak well. You got a good personality. You speak very softly, courteously. You seem to be a person of great, great courtesy and manners and behavior. And I think this is what I like about students, because people like you are very humble, respectful. But I have seen also one thing: people like you also have got a great vision. You really want to do well in your life. And these, take it from me, these traits and characteristics are just a stepping stone for a very good corporate career. I've seen that. People who are overbearing, harsh, loud, they will never reach that level of the boss. The boss has to be a person who's a mild person, who understands things, take care of his junior staff, a person who is of good manners, and the best part is that the boss should be such people relate to him or her. And I think you got the good traits. And now we can do one thing. We can put up our videos. मैं भी कर लेता हूँ. तो आवाज, audio में कुछ problem हो जाएगी. ठीक है बेटा. Kritika, coming to your requirement or your need or your want, whatever you have in your mind, you seem to be having great aspirations. Let me just connect with you through my own career. Like in management. So if that be so, ensure that whatever college options that the direct admission group gives to you, and I'll be listening throughout, they're the best colleges. The process is very simple and transparent. That's the best part, because 3 of my students also got into these colleges, though they had a very poor CAT score. They had a score ranging from 30 to 40 only. Kritika, आपका CAT score कितना है?
Sir, it's 7 percentile.
कितना?
Yeah, sir.
7.
No,
चलो कोई बात नहीं. Don't worry बच्ची, you are like my own daughter. Just relax, take it easy. अब ये जो process है, ये रेखा जी आपको बताएंगी. रेखा जी is a very dear friend since the last 3 months, because she helped my students. I got a great regard for her. And she personally invited me to address you, because you are a fresher, you are a graduate, you want to do well, and you are in the same predicament as my students when they had a very poor CAT score. So Rekha ji, very good afternoon. I will request you to please speak to Kritika. She is in the same soup like my students, जिनको आपने help किया था 3 महीने पहले, lockdown के पहले.
So very good afternoon to you, Vanchana ji, once again, and thank you for your wonderful words. And
thank you, Rekha ji.
Yes,
thank you very much.
Yes, Manchanda ji, I saw Kritika and I was really impressed. So Kritika, what is important, which see, we will be understanding your profile. Okay, very, very important. So once we understand your profile, then only I'll be in a position to either recommend you or give some good, college options for your MBA program. So regarding this, Kritika, it's important, beta, you need to understand you're talking to very senior panel. When I say academic credentials, it is very important. Your 10th, your 12th, your college. And when I say 10th, 12th, your college, please note down year of passing, name of the institution, name of the board, and your scores. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 2 is your extracurricular activities or achievements. So it may be your music, your dance, your debate, your sports, anything. Or some good internships or working with some social organizations. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 3, your family and your siblings. And number 4, very important, your aspirations. So what exactly you see for yourself 2 years down the line. Okay, Kritika?
Okay, ma'am.
So it's important you be clear and loud, and Atul, please write down each and every aspect of it. Yes, Kritika. Roughly. और कोई confirmation नहीं है ना percentile को लेके ना admission को लेके, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, ma'am, correct.
और अगर एडमिशन नहीं होता इस साल तो अगले साल क्या करेंगे? प्लान बी, मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2, राइट?
Yeah.
आप थोड़ा बहुत अमाउंट सेव कर सकते हैं, लेकिन फ्रस्ट्रेशन तो नहीं बचा सकते हैं। अपनी टाइम की इन्वेस्टमेंट को तो आप सेव नहीं कर सकते हैं। फॉर्म्स आपको फिल करने ही पड़ेंगे, एडमिशन के लिए भागना ही पड़ेगा और कोचिंग भी लेना ही पड़ेगा, राइट?
Yeah.
So this is something which is uncertain, but you have to invest, and this is journey of 2.5 lakh aspirants pan India, I'll say. Kahin kam, kahin zyada. So Kritika, now we will be discussing what is certain, which is going to happen within 7 to 10 days. And you have to understand the process with clarity. And please come up with your questions also in case you have some, okay?
Yes.
So Anmol, over to you. Please give her best colleges so that she can really go through the process, understand how it will be possible, because Kritika has got 7 CAT percentile. So Kritika, forget your percentile. We will not talk about this, okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
We'll be focusing on your profile and more important, your academics in your 10th, 12th and your graduation.
Mm-hmm.
What is important, Kritika? एक दिन catch में अगर result नहीं आता है, that doesn't decide your destiny, right?
Right,
You have
ma'am.
been working hard, giving your blood and sweat for your 10th board, then 12th board, and then your 3 years of college, right?
Yes.
So we have to focus on those academic years and the journey. So yes, Kritika, it will be possible. So Anmol, now give her the best possible options.
So, Kritika, IFIM Bangalore,
Sorry.
IFIM Bangalore,
Yes, I am Bangalore.
SP Jain Global Mumbai,
SP Jain. Yes.
IMI Kolkata,
IMI Kolkata.
BIMTech Delhi,
Sorry.
BIMTech Delhi,
Okay. Yeah.
last Universal Business School Mumbai.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, these are the 5 colleges in which we can provide you admission as per your profile right now, right? And if I talk about SP Jain Global, SPN Global is one of the best college in India and comes under world top 6 ranking.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And they provide you global MBA program, and the course duration is around 16 months, 1 year of your fully post graduation study work, and then rest 4 months you have to do internship, and internship is totally paid, and you will earn around 50 to 60,000 rupees per month.
50 to
And the
60,000
fees
per
of the
month.
sorry
Yeah, sorry.
yeah, and the fees of that SP Jain Global College is around 18 lakh rupees.
18 lakhs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I come to IFIM Bangalore. IFIM Bangalore is one of the best college in India. It comes under 25 rank in India holding, right? And basically बेंगलोर में होने की वजह से ये बिल्कुल आपका, अगर बात करते हैं अगर प्लेसमेंट के लिए देख रहे हैं तो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इसलिए होता है क्योंकि बेंगलोर जो आपका है वो सिलिकॉन वैली है इंडिया की, राइट? वहां पे नंबर ऑफ कंपनीज आर देयर, क्योंकि हर मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी का हेड ऑफिस आपका बेंगलोर के अंदर मिलेगा. सो इट्स वेरी इजी to grab the opportunity of placement in Bangalore, क्योंकि एक टाइम पे आप वहां पे जाके अपना पूरे दिन में 10 इंटरव्यू तो दे सकते हैं.
Okay.
क्योंकि सभी कंपनीज पास हो जाती हैं. और इवन IFM की बात कर रहा हूँ तो बेसिकली ये फाइनेंस के लिए काफी अच्छा कॉलेज है और बेसिकली फाइनेंस के लिए ही जाना जाता है.
Okay.
फाइनेंस और मैनेजमेंट के लिए. तो इफ यू लुकिंग फॉर डूइंग MBA और PGDM, बेसिकली IFM is best. Then I can suggest you IMI कोलकाता, क्योंकि IMI एक नेशनल ब्रांड है आपका इंडिया के अंदर. और आफ्टर IFIM then there is IMI. So ये आपका कोलकाता के अंदर होगा. बेसिकली ये भी आपका बेंगलोर के अंदर आता है और सेम सिनेरियो है. अगर इसकी बात मैं करता हूँ तो इसकी जो आपको ट्यूशन फीस अराउंड रहती है वो 12.5 लाख रुपीज है आपके पूरे 2 इयर्स.
Okay.
और सेम सिनेरियो में आपका IFIM जो मैंने बताया उसकी फीस आपको जाएगी अराउंड 16 लाख रुपीस फॉर योर 2 इयर्स प्रोग्राम.
Okay.
Right. So these three are the top best colleges. और इसकी अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, इन्हीं कॉलेजेस के अंदर प्रॉपर आपका एडमिशन कंफर्म होगा विद इन 7 days के अंदर। कॉलेज में यहाँ पे कुछ प्रेफरेंस अपने साइड से?
Yeah, I want a college in Mumbai itself. So I'm
ओके,
looking
सो मुंबई के लिए बेस्ट ऑप्शन ऑलरेडी आपके पास है सीजन ग्लोबल।
Yeah.
या सो ये वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन है इसके लिए, क्योंकि इसकी बेसिकली जो सी आपको डिग्री मिलती है वो आपको ऑस्ट्रेलियन डिग्री मिलती है, राइट। प्रॉपर आपका जो प्रोग्राम रहेगा वो मुंबई के अंदर होगा, और इसके अंदर जो आपका ऑप्शन रहता है प्लेसमेंट का, तो इसमें आपको पॉजिटिव मिलते हैं। आप इंडिया में भी प्लेसमेंट अप्लाई करते हैं, और अगर इफ यू प्लान फॉर गो अब्रॉड देन यू कैन आल्सो टेक अ प्लेसमेंट ऑफ कैंपस एज वेल।
Okay.
तो अगर देख रहे हैं दोनों ऑप्शन आपके लिए खुल जाते हैं मुंबई के अंदर। देन वी हैव मुंबई के अंदर आपका यूनिवर्सल बिजनेस स्कूल, इट्स ऑलरेडी मुंबई। तो ये दो ऑप्शन अगर आप प्लान करते हैं तो इन दोनों में आपका वी कैन प्रोवाइड यू एडमिशन।
Okay.
या सो कोई पेपर दिया हुआ आपने, कोई एंट्रेंस एग्जाम लाइक एमएचसीईटी, कि आप महाराष्ट्र स्टूडेंट है तो आपको एमएचसीईटी देना होता है।
Yeah, I'd given MHCT.
क्या स्कोर है उसमें एमएचसीईटी में आपका?
70 percentile.
ओके, सो दैट्स ग्रेट। सो यूनिवर्सल बिजनेस स्कूल में वी कैन प्रोवाइड यू एडमिशन, राइट। और इसकी जो ट्यूशन फीस रहेगी यूनिवर्सल बिजनेस स्कूल की, आपकी रहती है अराउंड 8.9 लाख रुपीस। और अगर प्लेसमेंट की बात करता हूँ, इफ यू वांट टू वर्क इन अ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी फॉर जस्ट एज अ ट्रेनिंग पर्पस, क्योंकि आपने बताया कि आपके पापा का बिजनेस है और आपने वही चलाना है, राइट, इन फ्यूचर। बट आपको अगर एक्सपोजर चाहिए तो एक अच्छी कंपनी का आपको एक्सपोजर होगा, तभी आप उसको अपनी कंपनी में इंप्लीमेंट कर पाएंगे, राइट।
Yeah.
सो आपका जो एक्सपोजर रहता है वो बेसिकली ज्यादा आपका पैकेज अच्छा एसपी जैन ग्लोबल में जाएगा। देन सेकंड नंबर पे आपका यूनिवर्सल बिजनेस स्कूल मुंबई में जाएगा, अगर आप डायरेक्टली बस मुंबई की बात करते हैं।
Okay.
सो इनमें जो ट्यूशन फीस रहती है वो बेसिकली आपकी फिक्स रहती है, जो कॉलेज की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट के ऊपर मेंशन होता है। और जो आपका एडमिशन होता है टोटली प्रोफाइल बेस्ड एडमिशन होता है। वो कैन क्रिएट योर प्रोफाइल, क्योंकि आपका जो, अगर मैं बात करता हूँ प्रोफाइल की, तो आपकी प्रोफाइल को जितना बूस्टअप करेंगे उसी बिहाफ पे आपकी एप्लीकेशन पे कंसीडर होगी, क्योंकि यू नो वेरी वेल कि आपका जो एग्जाम का रिजल्ट होता है वो काफी टाइम पहले आ गया था, एंड राइट नाउ इट्स अ लास्ट फेज ऑफ एडमिशन।
Yeah.
आईएमआई में आपके जो इंटरव्यू है लास्ट फ्राइडे को है, ये लास्ट इंटरव्यू होने वाले हैं सभी कॉलेजेस के लिए आपके। इसके बाद
Okay.
कहीं एमबीए बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाएगा आपका। सो वी हैव लिमिटेड सीट्स राइट नाउ। सो इनमें जो एडमिशन रहेगा टोटली आपका प्रोफाइल बेस्ड रहता है, जिसके लिए आपको 10 स्टेप मिस्टर अतुल आपको कंडक्ट बता देंगे कि आपका क्या क्या प्रोसेस होता है, किस किस तरीके से आप वहां पे एडमिशन लेते हो,
Okay.
राइट। सो कोई क्वेश्चन आपको कॉलेज से रिलेटेड?
To which मतलब entrance exam marks does SP Jain consider? Only CLAT?
देखो, एसपी जैन आपकी प्रॉपर प्रोफाइल बिहाफ पे लेता है, प्रोफाइल बेस्ड एडमिशन, राइट। सो वी हैव टू बिल्ड योर प्रोफाइल ऑन दैट लेवल।
Okay.
उसके बाद वी कैन आल्सो कंडक्ट एसपी जेट एग्जाम इन विच यू हैव टू क्लियर, एंड उसके बिहाफ पे आपको स्कॉलरशिप भी मिलती है कॉलेज से, नियर अबाउट 2.5 लाख रुपीस।
Okay.
So now I request Mr. Atul kindly dictate the 10 step.
Yes, Kritika.
Yeah.
Kritika, do one thing, that pen down all the things which I am telling to you right now.
Yes.
See, Kritika, firstly, before we initiate the process, your document verification is done. Okay,
Yeah.
to start the process. Then after that, the 2 LORs are being made by our Professor Bhuchan Manchila sir. And since it is profile-based admission, so these are the necessities. 2 LORs and one statement of purpose is made, which is of 750 words, right?
Hmm.
Then a 2 rounds of mock interview is also done, and there is a separate panel which deals with all these things. Okay. Then moving to the next point, we have to do your writing skill test also. That in that writing skill, what we used to do, that our interview essay writing is being done for your profile based admission, so that your evaluation can be done. Then 60 a CPCG test is done, that is career planning and career guidance test.
What is
Okay.
this 60 CG?
PPCG test is there, which is career
Oh,
planning and career guidance test.
okay.
Okay. It is done so that your profile can be enhanced and boosted up so that there is no problem in your admission process.
Mm,
Okay.
okay.
Then the 8th point is that we do a online test. Okay, which is conducted by the university, like a
Hello.
GD and PI also conducted by the college management only. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Then after the PI is done, within a week, after the PI is done, after 2 to 3 days, the offer letter is generated. And for all this process, you need to pay a registration amount of 33,000, which is the seat blocking amount.
Okay.
Okay.
Officials for important rounds, whether it is your verbal qualifications, whether your writing parameters, or your aptitude test. Okay, Kritika?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is for sure that within 7 to 10 days, you do get your offer letters and 2 to 3 from your preference of the list, what you're going to share. So now this is important, Kritika, that you don't lose time. What Anmol has shared that MBA admission is almost closed. Reason CAT was in the month of Jan, the result, but now it is August. So I believe only few last seats are left. In case you are very confident, you really want to go for it, you should not lose time and come with your documents and we can initiate the process. Okay, Kritika?
Yes, ma'am.
So any doubt from what Atul has shared with you or what Anmol has guided to you, you can definitely put across and I'll be more than glad to clear your doubts in case there is any.
No, ma'am.